Did you know if you were born in North Korea, it's forbidden for you to get out? You'll have to stay there all your life? Hello, and here's some North Korea facts that will shock you. The government chooses where you live based on who you are in the hierarchy, people living in the capital being the best. If your house is on fire, you have to save the president's portrait before anything else, even your kids, or you can go to jail. It is strictly forbidden to own a Bible, the punishment from the government for owning one being death. There is only 18 hairstyles possible for girls and 10 for boys. The government also chooses how you dress. If someone does a crime, their whole family has to go to jail. The internet is controlled, they don't know social medias, and there are only 28 websites, all being propaganda or North Koreans' websites. Presidential elections happen every 5 years, but there is only one candidate each time. You can't call someone from another country, or you could go to work camps. There's only 3 television channels, all controlled by the government. It's forbidden to wear jean pants. The calendar that North Koreans use actually starts with the birth year of Kim Il-sung, so they think that the current year is 111 since he was born in 1912.